my recording crashed, so yeah. I died for some reason. I think it was a zombie. I lost all my stuff, it despawned, and now I'm in a hole, which you probably can't see. Oh wait, yeah, you can. Now. Well. Whoop. Whoop. I'm gonna dig. Where's my crafting table? I know it's right around here somewhere. Can't even. 1 second. Graphics. Ooh, brightness all the way up. Okay, still can't see anything. So now I can see my crafting bench. Okay, we got that. Now we... Ooh, yes, cobblestone. Cobblestone. We're mining some stone. I'm gonna become a stoner with all this stone. Sorry if this is boring for you, but I would have... It's been much more exciting if I hadn't died, and I know that's all my fault. Wait, where's the stone? Oh, right there. There we go. More stone. I'm gonna become such a big stoner. Okay, now we make sticks. We make this. We make that. We make that. And we make that. Okay. This goes in the first slot. That goes in the second. This goes in the third. This goes in the fourth. And this goes in the fifth. Okay. Now, wait. Oh, that scared me so bad. I don't know why that scared me, and this is like Minecraft, but it scared me. Gotta get up here. Get up there. Yes, I'm on the trees. I came up here so you guys can see. Good guy chocolate, yeah. Wait, spiders can... Shoot, spiders can come up here, and that's a skeleton. I saw you. Don't act like I didn't see you. Why do I keep placing blocks down? Stupid dirt. What? Why do I have 2 pickaxes? Glitchy. Pocket Edition is very glitchy, by the way. Right now, I think I'm gonna make a tree house, because this is very scary. Okay. Get the foundations of our newfound treehouse. There. there's so many stuff down there. Oh god. I saw the spider. Oh god. Oh god. Huh. Okay. I made it. Wait. I made it. Oh god. Oh god. The tree's going. The tree's going. It's going away. I need to be fast. I need to get back to my... There we go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yes, I made it. Hallelujah. 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 This is unsymmetrical and it's killing me. There we go. Okay, we got our little thing right there. I wonder how long this has been going for. Oh, 7 minutes, not that long. Okay, gonna get some more wood. Oh shoot! So, okay, that's a creeper. Little booger. Yeah, I got you. Stupid piece of shit. Oh, get rid of that. Oh, that's so annoying. You stupid zombie. Just stop it. Stop. 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 Thank God. Oh. Go backwards. Right here. Right now I'm gonna make up my thing's foundation. Okay, there we go. Gonna make a crafting bench and put it right here. And be like, woo, stairs. There we go. Sorry for not talking for a bit, I was concentrating. Okay, there we go. There we go. Gonna make some more stairs. What? Are you serious? Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay. Oh, come on. Why you get... Son of a... There we go. This would have been so much better if we had a jungle, so I can make my treehouse up there. What the? Are you kidding me? Are you just kidding my butter? There we go. Now, time for some more wood. Yeah, more wood. Oh, apple. Need food, health. Yes. Boom. There we go. More. I need more wood. There we go. I hear you, zombie. I hear you. Don't act like I can't hear you. I know you're there. Oh, there are a bunch. Okay. Where? Oh god. Oh god. What the? What the what? What the what? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and get some wood because that's scaring me a whole lot. That's a spider that tried to kill me before. It's not trying to now because it's daytime. Okay. What is that? Oh god. Stupid sheep are scaring the poop out of me. Are you kidding my butter? There we go. Now I've made a stairway up to my thing. Time to get my crafting bench thingy table, yeah. Okay, there we go. Now I can get up here smoothly and safely. Okay, getting rid of this. And then, yeah. There we go.